Yiin, 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 Yin, 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 giraffe, 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 yin, 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 yin in black or African means tall, mean the tallest animal with the colors. So there's a lot of decorations, like colorful animal. Yin, tall, too tall, and beautiful. Doesn't mean you're too tall, you're not attractive, but it's beautiful. Yin, 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 giraffe, 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 yin, 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 giraffe, 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 yin, 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 yin in Mabaan or Sudanese or African language. Yin, 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 yin. Please remember to subscribe on my video would be great, and I would appreciate that. That's mean a lot to me. And I'm going to give you more videos, more information for you to learn, to know about languages, about African, language, about Mabaan, about Sudanese language. So what I'm doing, it's teaching, it's part of teaching, teaching like people to connect to other languages, to English, to Mabaan tribe or Sudanese or African, to Arabic language. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just trying my best to do what I can. And please stay excited, stay tuned, and I will get back to you soon with different information, with another videos. Peace.